In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email on Ionos in just 5 minutes. Whether you've just sent an email you instantly regret or you've made a mistake like spelling errors or forgetting attachments, realizing you've sent an email prematurely can be nerve-wracking. Fortunately, Ionos provides an option to undo this action, but it's important to act quickly. Let's walk through the process together. To start, you'll need to access your Ionos account. Head over to the Ionos website and you'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to a page where you can select Customer Account and again click Sign In. This process is intuitive and designed to get you where you need to be as swiftly as possible. Once you've selected to sign in, the next step requires you to input your webmail email address. It's crucial that this information is entered accurately to ensure a smooth login process. After typing in your email, proceed by clicking Next. Here's a small but important tip. When redirected to the webmail page, you'll need to re-enter your email. Though it may feel redundant, it's a necessary step in the process to secure your account. After re-entering your email, click on Next again. Now you will be prompted to type in your password. Make sure you enter your password correctly. Following this, you'll click on Next to proceed further into your account. These steps are designed to enhance security and verify your identity, keeping your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to address the email recall. Navigate to New Email by following the provided link or by selecting the option within your mail dashboard. It's here that you typically compose a new message, but for the purpose of our guide, we're focusing on an email that's already been sent. Now let's imagine you've already composed an email, filled in the recipient's email address, subject line, and the body of the email, and you've hit the Send button. Suddenly you realize there's an error or something you wish to retract. This is where the undo feature becomes invaluable. Directly after sending the email, an undo option will appear on your screen. However, be aware you only have a few seconds to use this feature. Click on undo promptly if you need to retract your email. Doing so will reverse the send action, bringing the email back into your draft folder, allowing you to make any necessary edits or to discard the email entirely. Remember, this undo feature is indispensable but fleeting. The key is to act swiftly after realizing a mistake in your sent email. If you miss the brief window to click undo, unfortunately the email cannot be retrieved, and it would be best to consider damage control measures such as sending a follow-up email to correct the mistake. To sum up, recalling an email on Ionos is straightforward if you know the process and act quickly. Begin by logging into your account, navigating to your sent emails, and utilizing the undo feature immediately after sending an email you wish to recall. Be mindful of the limited time frame you have to use the undo feature. It's a small window, but it can be a lifesaver when you need it most. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and the undo feature is there to help mitigate those moments when they involve email. With the steps outlined today, you're now equipped to manage your emails on Ionos more effectively and confidently. Whether you're sending crucial business emails or personal messages, knowing how to recall an email can save you from potential stress and embarrassment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful and has given you the peace of mind that comes with knowing how to navigate this useful feature on Ionos. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will help make your digital life easier and more productive.